Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We're also the creators of the Hobby to Hustle community. I am here today with something that is very, very different from what I usually do. But I'm here to share some very important information with you. If you've been a part of this community for any length of time, you know that I show up on my lives consistently. We've been doing the lives for somewhere around 2 years now, and most Tuesdays I come live, and if I can't, I put out a notice saying that I'm not able to come live. So that's why this information is really a challenge for me to share. These lives have been a part of my routine, a part of what you expect from Sherika Originals, and a part of my routine. You know, it's just been a part of what I do. I do it almost automatically. So when I tell you that I am changing my Sherika Originals Tuesday Live subscriber chat, it's not a decision that I've come to lightly. It's not something that I've capriciously done. It wasn't impulsive. And it wasn't even something that I planned. It turns out that my physical body has some opinions. And my body decided to file a formal complaint. So that is what this is about. Recently, I had a medical situation that forced me to stop and really listen to my body, to listen to what my body was telling me. It was giving me warning signals. A friend of mine said that it was like in your car when you have the check engine light. That means that you need to stop and see what is going on. So that's what happened with me. My body told me to stop, check this out, and see what's going on. See what we have to do differently if we want to keep going. It told me that I need to slow down. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm not disappearing. And as far as I know, I'm not going away. But it's just about changing the way that I do things. You know, it's just making some adjustments is what is really happening. You know, I love my Tuesday Live subscriber chats. We have learned so much from each other. We have helped each other with things that didn't even have to do with jewelry making, because we have become a community. When we first got started, Marcia was the first person to come on stage and show her jewelry and the things that she does. And then that just got the ball rolling for us. When we had some shenanigans going on, Marcia was the one who suggested that we need to pray. So we've been starting off with a prayer and ending with a prayer. You know, we got Jay, who comes on, and she normally wears a t-shirt that has a great message on it, a funny message, an educational message, a good advice message. And we got JC, who is just an awesome creator, and Dee, who is just awesome. Jay, and they have YouTube channels, and their YouTube channels have grown as a result of being in the Sherika Originals community. Cass is always there to keep the conversation going, and Dot, even though we don't see her on the live, she is always watching the replays. So it's just, it's just a community that has come together to help each other, to level up. That's what I'm all about, is leveling up. And that's why I started the Hobby to Hustle community. Like I said, this, I was doing the Tuesday live, and then the Hobby to Hustle live, and then the preparation for both. And I know it might seem like there's no preparation for the Tuesday Live, but there's preparation, and there's actually work while I'm doing it, because you know that as the moderator, it's up to me to let people in, let people up on the stage. It's up to me to keep up with the chat. It's up to me that if people want to share a link in the chat, I need to do that. So it's just a lot. It's a lot to do. And I'm tired by the time by the time I get off there. But I love it. I love it. I love everything that I do. I love creating my YouTube videos. I love the community that we have created, and I don't want to give it up. So in order for me not to give it up, I need to combine the two things. So that's what this is about. And even as my family talked to me about this, I felt really obligated. I didn't want to let people down. I know people really look forward to that because, as creators, that in many instances we work alone. And, if we don't have family that's interested in seeing what we do, then we don't have anybody to share it with. If we're not, actively going out and doing events and all of that, then we're just creating almost in a vacuum. So what these communities do is give you a place to come and share what you do. And it's a blessing. It's a blessing to the person that you're sharing it with, and it's a blessing to you. And we want to continue that. We want to continue to bless each other. And I love the live interaction, but I have to do it in a way that supports my health. And I encourage you to listen to your body. I was not listening to my body. I was, now that incident occurred, I can look back and tell that I was getting signals, my body was signaling me, but I wasn't paying attention. I was just brushing it off and, saying, oh, I'll just shake it off. And even when I went to the doctor, my daughter insisted that I go. I was saying, I'll be all right. And it was really a medical emergency that I didn't even realize it was a medical emergency. And had I not gone to get taken care of, I may not be sitting here today. It was that serious. So my body has forced me to take these things serious. And what we're going to do is we're going to move everything over to Hobby to Hustle, because in that community we have two different tiers. We have a tier where people have paid to be there. So I want to keep my commitment to them as much as I can. Okay, I have recorded and re-recorded this several times, so I'll just get into it. What is going to change is we will not have any further live streams on Tuesday. We'll not have the Tuesday Live subscriber chat on YouTube. I'm still going to be going live. I'm just going, because I have been going live twice a week, once on Tuesday for YouTube, and then once on Thursday for Hobby to Hustle. So we will continue the live streams in Hobby to Hustle, because that the ladies that are there have paid to be there. They've invested in themselves and in me. So we're going to continue that. I want them to always get what they have invested in. And what I'm doing is I will leave a link to invite you into the Hobby to Hustle platform. It is on a platform called School, and that's where we have the courses and the information, and we do the live streams. Now, on our Hobby to Hustle, we have two tiers. We have a free tier that allows you to come in and to post and interact in the community. And there is some information in there as well. And then we have the paid tier. And the paid tier is where the live streams will be on Thursdays from 6 to 7. And I'm hoping that you're willing to invest in yourself and invest in us, and come on into the tier of Hobby to Hustle where we can continue the lives. If not, I'm still going to be doing YouTube tutorials. I may not do as many because I'm going to have some exclusive tutorials inside the paid tier of Hobby to Hustle. And I just want you to know that I'm still going to be teaching. I'm still going to be creating, and I'm still committed to the YouTube community. Like I said, I'll still be putting out my videos. I just won't be doing the Tuesday live subscriber chat because it's taxing. It's too much, and I am slowing down, and just gonna take it a little bit easier. And with that, it's difficult for me, but for me, it's a reality check. And also it's a way to see, whether people believe that I'm giving value that is worth making an investment is. That's been a challenge for me. People know I'm a giver, and I like to share. But things come to a point where, it might be time to, do a give and take. Do a give and take. So that's kind of where we are with that. It was really difficult for me to make the decision that, because in fact, I need to make a correction because in my last live stream, I did say that people were going to be able to come into Hobby to Hustle into the free tier and get the live streams. But, we've made a decision not to do that. So I'm sorry about giving the wrong information. So I'm going to have to correct that everywhere. I'm going to have to post it everywhere. We're not going to reconvene the live streams in Hobby to Hustle until January 8th. That's when we'll start back with our weekly live streams inside Hobby to Hustle, inside the paid tier of Hobby to Hustle. So I will leave the link for you to go in and check out Hobby to Hustle. Like I said, you can go in and sign up for the free tier anytime. And then if you want to upgrade to the paid tier, then you can do that as well. We just want to keep it going. We want to keep it going. So even though, the Tuesday live isn't going to work anymore, I hope that you can make space in your schedule for a Thursday live. It's going to be Thursday from 6 to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And same kind of format. You're gonna be able to come in and chat and be on stage if you want, and that kind of thing. So look for the link to Hobby to Hustle, and that's where we're gonna be. Also, almost forgot. We won't reconvene. We won't do any more Tuesday lives. We won't do any more Hobby to Hustle until January 8th. We're gonna, in the spirit of taking a break and resting, we're going to take a break until January 8th. So I'm going to try to post this everywhere so that everybody has this information. Well, let me know what you think about this, how you feel about it. Let me know whether Thursday is going to work for you. All right, good people, this is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We're also the creators of the Hobby to Hustle community. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.